A court in Canada has delivered a strong message in a serious case involving an Indian origin real estate agent, making it clear that the cultural misunderstanding cannot be used as a defense in such situations. Well, this case involves 37-year-old Manoj Govind Balunikam, a permanent resident of Canada who has been sentenced 18 months in prison by Ontario court. The recent incident and the dates back to 2023, a small town called Thessalon. According to the court records, the man approached a young boy who was alone near a river. He started a conversation, offered him some advances, and later met him again, offering him a ride. However, instead of taking that person home, he drove him around other locations, including a local shop. The situation raised suspicion among people in that area because that person's parents were already alerted that the person was missing. Already, that boy's father located the vehicle safely and brought the son back home. Thankfully, that person was not physically harmed by any chance, but the emotional impact of that abduction has been serious, included in fear, anxiety, and trust issues. But that's not the only information that we've got. Well, during the proceedings, the defense later argued that the man's actions were kind gestures and as a result of cultural misunderstanding. However, the judge firmly rejected the claim. Justice Michelle Varpio actually stated that the accused had lived in Canada for over a decade and was fully aware of the country's law and the social norms. The court has made it clear that such actions cannot be justified under any cultural explanation. While the judge also stressed on the importance of deterrence and saying that the society cannot allow adults to take any person around them, be it of any age, without the consent under any circumstance. While there was no evidence of further criminal intent, the court noted that the actions were aimed at gaining the person's trust, the person who was abducted, by the way, which then made the situation even more serious. Well, in addition of the prison sentence, the accused has been given 3 years of probation and a strict conditions, including no contact with the victim. He may also face the immigration consequences now, serving his sentence. Well, the case highlights that broader message, not it is about law, but about responsibility. Living in any country comes with an understanding within its law, respecting the boundaries. And as the case shows, when it comes about safety and trust, there is simply no room for any misunderstanding.